Alright, so we've had a lot of questions regarding the amp gauge with a Centech wiring harness installation, so we're going to show you how to install that now, the proper way to hook it up. So in the Centech harness, all the wires that would go to the speedometer cluster assembly, you'll notice this big heavy red wire loop that says battery on it. This is the main power wire, and all it has to do is run through the back side of the gauge through this loop. So the easy way to do that is we're just going to take this and cut the loop apart. Once the loop's been cut, you can spread it open a little bit. You'll install the wire into the loop. And then just pinch the loop down over the back of the wire. It does not have to be tight. The wire just needs to run through the loop in order for the gauge to pick up the voltage or the draw running through the wire. Once the truck is running, start the truck and make sure the gauge is going in the correct direction, charge. If it reads discharge and you take your voltmeter and you go to the battery and it's reading that it's positively charging, you've just installed the wire through the loop backwards. So all you would do would be to pull the wire out and turn it around and then install it again. And at that time, if it was reading discharge before, it should now be reading charge. All you got to do is turn the wire direction around in the back side of the loop. And the loop itself just needs to slightly overlap itself to keep the wire from falling out. And now you've installed the factory gauge with the new Centech harness.